Hey Zoe, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make Daddy salad.
You're making Daddy a salad?
Yeah.
Where's the lettuce? Where is it? Yeah. What else do you put on a salad?
Croutons and cheese.
What? Look at me and tell me.
Cheese and croutons.
Cheese and croutons?
Yeah.
And lettuce?
Yeah.
Are you making a salad for Daddy?
Mhm.
Let's see you do it. You're gonna put the lettuce in the bucket. Take the lid off.
Take the lid off.
Put the lettuce in the bucket. You put it in there?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Put the lettuce in the bucket.
What's in the bucket?
Put it in there. No, don't eat it. I don't think you'll like it.
It's too sticky.
It's too sticky?
No. Yeah, sticky.
There you go. Put it in the bucket. Good job. Who are you making a salad for?
Making Daddy for the salad.
Are you making Daddy a salad?
Yeah.
Why are you making Daddy a salad? 'Cause you love Daddy?
Yeah.
Say, I love my daddy.
I love my daddy.
Who's your daddy? What's his name?
Paul.
Paul? What's your name?
I'm a Zoe.
Zoe what?
Zoe Newingham.
Zoe Newingham?
Yeah.
Oh, how old are you, Zoe Newingham?
2.
2. How do you spell your name?
T-O-E.
Zoe?
Zoe.
That's right.